this video, I want to show you how I make my YouTube thumbnails using Canva. I do have the pro version. However, you don't need the pro version. You can make thumbnails for your YouTube channel for free. Click on Create a Design. On the search bar, you're going to type thumbnail. Then click on the YouTube thumbnail, and it's going to take you into the blank canvas for your thumbnail. You want to make sure that you always title all of your designs on Canva. So on the top right hand side where it says Untitled Design, you're going to click on that, and you're going to name / title whatever design that you are making. That way, if anybody is searching for your topic, you will be found quicker, and then you will get more views as well, because your video will be recommended and will be ranked to that specific topic. Click on design so you can choose from one of the templates for your YouTube thumbnail. I usually go to the search bar and I'll type in whatever topic that I'm looking for to see what comes up. So in this case, I'm going to search for how to screen record. A bunch of different templates are going to pop up that pertain to whatever specific search I gave it. I'm looking for something that describes what my video is about, so that people that are looking for that topic click on my video because it looks interesting, or it causes curiosity, etc. So I'm looking for like screens, cameras, something that pertains to how to screen record and just give it that type of feel, that type of image. And I'm just gonna play around with it. I'm gonna probably choose 2 to 3 to see which one I like best. I do like this one. However, I like to make my thumbnails with my photos because I feel that people can relate more when they see your face. So I'm gonna change it to a different one. After I played around with a few, I wasn't satisfied, so I kept searching until I found the perfect one for the video that I want to make. So this is the one that I chose. I think it's really nice. I like the dark background with the little stars. I like how she's standing right there on that side. So I'm going to replace her photo with mine. Now I'm going to choose a picture that I like, and then I'm going to hit background remover. If you want to use this background remover, you will need the pro version, just so you know. Sometimes you can drag your photo into the photo that's already there, but I kept messing with it and it didn't work, so I just removed her photo completely, and then I just replaced mine after I removed the background. I clicked on my photo a bunch of times, so I ended up deleting them, and then I also brought my photo forward by clicking on layers, and they have different ones you can choose from. So if you click to the back, it's going to go to the back of the image or to the back of the page. If you click on bring forward, it's going to go in front of the letters, etc. So you can just play around with it. At first it's going to seem difficult, but once you start messing with it, you're going to become an expert. It's going to become natural, because when I first went into Canva, I was like so intimidated. And let me tell you, I started using Canva like 4 years ago, and I wasn't really using it because I was so like intimidated by it. But this year and the ending of last year towards the end, I really started going hard, and I started learning everything, and now I'm a lot better. So you can do it too. Nobody's born knowing anything, so you have to do stuff so you can learn. So learning a new skill is always a good thing. So don't get discouraged. Don't be afraid. Anybody can do this. It's easy. It's fun. Sometimes I get annoyed because I want to click on a specific element, but the way that they set up the templates, it's like the boxes overlap, and I end up like moving the wrong thing. But that's okay. If you end up moving something that you don't want, just hit the undo button on the top left, and you should be fine. You just keep it moving from there. I will be cutting parts of this video, or I will be speeding through it, because I'm sure that you don't want to be sitting through a whole hour video just to learn how to make a thumbnail. The best thing that I would recommend is for you to go onto Canva and start today. Start designing. you can make thumbnails, you can screen record, you can do websites, you can do ebooks, that you can do so much on Canva. I absolutely love it. I recommend it to anyone. My next video is going to be on how to create a free website using Canva so that you can collect emails for your business. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe if you are interested so that you can see that video. You don't want to miss it. Also, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up so that other people can see it as well. Because I'm making a YouTube thumbnail that has to do with YouTube, I wanted to change the colors from yellow to red. So I want to add some white because those are the colors for YouTube. I went into Elements, typed in screen to see if I can find a phone that I can put on my thumbnail, but everything that I got was see-through, so I had to go back on the search bar and type in white screen to see if a cell phone with white screen would come up, because I can't have it be see-through because obviously the background is black and you can't see it. After searching for a bit, I finally found a phone that has a white screen on it that goes perfectly with what I'm trying to do. I want all my elements to be on the left hand side since my image or photo is on the right side, so that it can look nice and evenly and it doesn't look all crazy. You don't want too much. You want to keep it as simple as possible, because if it's too crazy, it's not going to make sense and it's not attracting as well. So the simpler, the better. I want my text to be nice and grouped together so that I can just move everything together. So I'm just fixing it up, making my letters smaller, making sure that it's in the middle, that everything's looking aligned, so that I can just group everything and continue to edit my elements. In order to group anything, you want to like highlight over it, select it, and then you're gonna hit group, and as you can see, everything is together now, and I can move it up, around. I don't have to move it separately. So now I can keep adding elements to my design. I want to find a different element like a laptop, so I'm going to put it at the bottom here, and I'm just gonna duplicate some of these stars here so that I can fill in the blank spaces. Since the stars are so small, it's not gonna like be too much. I think it goes nicely with what I'm trying to do. So I'm just gonna keep duplicating the stars and keep filling in the empty spaces so that, you know, it could look attracting and it could look outstanding. I think it looks good. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below. I want to hear your guys' thoughts. I feel like it's missing something, so I'm just gonna see if I find maybe like a film, something that has to do with screen recording, like a recording button, a camera. So I'm gonna go back into Elements, go to the search bar, and type in film to see what comes up. So I chose the little film, but it's not really giving to me because I was gonna put it right here, and it doesn't go because it's becoming too much, as you can see. So I'm gonna keep searching, and now I'm gonna see maybe a Canva logo since I'm teaching how to do this on Canva, and just looking around to see what they have, and it's limited to what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna try something else if this does not work. So I decided to take a break of finding a different element to put at that space at the bottom or somewhere, and I decided to duplicate the for YouTube at the bottom because I wanted to have like a white background to it. So all you have to do is duplicate whatever you want to do. In this case is for YouTube, and you're gonna put one color white, one color black, or whatever color you want, just so that it can stand out a bit. And that's how I give it that look, that feel, by duplicating it and choosing two different colors. So the background is white and then the front letters are black. Once I was done making changes to the text, I went back into Elements and I typed in film to see if I can find what I was looking for, and I did find the record image. However, I needed like a background so that it can stand out. I need a shape, so I'm gonna go back into Elements, type in shape, click on the square shape, then I'm gonna change that color of the shape into white so that I can put it behind of the record button so that it can stand out. Since the square shape is in front of the record button, I have to go and change it so that it can go behind. So you're gonna right click, you're gonna go into layers and put it behind of the specific image that you're trying to use. I'm gonna make the square smaller so that it can fit perfectly with the record image. Once I'm happy, I'm gonna left click and select both of them together so that it can group them. So just hit group. Now you can move them together without having to do it separately. Make them bigger, make them smaller. Easy peasy. I had to move me out of the way because, like I was saying before, sometimes like the boxes overlap, and then I'm just gonna see where I want this record button to be exactly, and I'm almost done here. It's not that difficult. You can take as long as you want. It just depends on what you're trying to do. Okay, so now that I am done, I am ready to download this thumbnail. I'm gonna go to share, hit download, wait for it to download so that I can upload it onto my YouTube as my YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my YouTube studio, click on detail, scroll to the bottom, hit the thumbnail, upload thumbnail, select my file, and that is it. If you made it to the end of this video, I want to thank you for watching, and to all the people that subscribe to my channel, you guys are the best. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.